With dental implants, I think a question is always of pain or discomfort following the procedure. With any surgical procedure, the patients are always concerned about that. I literally have patients that come see Dr. Kammeyer and the next day are playing golf after having implants placed. So very quickly we can diminish those concerns and relate to them the fact that they're going to be fine. It's really a very painless procedure. And Dr. Kammeyer does a phenomenal job of maintaining any discomfort that may be associated with that.
I mean, the whole process of having an implant for me, honestly, is preferable to having a root canal or another procedure. I know sometimes those are necessary. However, I just thought pain level, very minimal. The actual process of having the implant, I was asleep, so it was great. It was a real positive experience.
I had no pain, and I had all the uppers removed, and 2 weeks later, all the lowers removed. So I had the full mouth almost at the same time, and I had no pain at all.
When we did the lower jaw, it was like all of them out at the same time. And I went home, and a couple of days later, I was fine.
I never had any pain from the whole time, not 1 ounce of pain. Never had to take my pain medicine. And that's amazing. When they tell you what they're going to do to you, you think, oh, I'm going to be in pain for a while. I was not.
I was surprised there was so little pain. I wouldn't even call it pain, I'd call it discomfort.
With the medicines you're on and everything, the pain is really relatively small to what is done. Because you got to remember, in my case, they had to open up the whole inside of my upper mouth.
It was a piece of cake. It was great. I just, I didn't know what to expect, but it was, with Dr. Kammeyer, it was a piece of cake.
I, for one, was very leery because I have been through so much dental work and so much pain. For all the work that I had done with Dr. Kammeyer, I had 1 day of discomfort. 1 day of discomfort for what I had done was worth everything, because I mean, there was hardly any pain, They made you feel very comfortable through the whole process that was going on.
As far as pain is concerned, they're all concerned about that. Anytime you mention surgery, patients have a concern about that. But I can look every patient in the eye knowing from experience that there's no pain the next day, or very little. And so that's a small price to pay to be able to walk out that office that next day after the implants is placed with the teeth screwed in right then, and they have a full complement of teeth that are fixed.
I know when people come to see us, they have fears, different fears, and I'm here to make sure that we listen to their fears and that we make them comfortable. And we really do change people's lives. People complimenting us with, Dr. Kammeyer, did you really put those implants in? I don't remember, and I can't tell they're there.
Right, they don't
so
feel anything.
They don't feel anything because it's in the bone, and they don't feel anything.
And you didn't feel anything?
As a matter of fact, Stephanie, I didn't take all of my pain medication. I didn't need it, I didn't have the pain, and we hear this from our patients all the time. They don't take all theirs.